Get ready to rev up your engines, because a true piece of automotive history is about to hit the auction block. This one-of-a-kind Chevrolet Silverado 1500, built as a tribute to the iconic Pontiac Trans Am from Smokey and the Bandit, is a dream for muscle car and truck enthusiasts alike. Developed through a collaboration between Saleen and Legendary Concepts, this tribute truck was first introduced at the 2021 SEMA Show. Now, the Bandit Silverado is up for auction, and it might just be the wildest ride you could own. Named Bandit, after the legendary car from the cult classic film Smokey and the Bandit, this Silverado is not just another pickup truck, it's a full-throttle, supercharged powerhouse. As number 22 of the limited edition Bandit trucks, this model stands as a rare, barely used gem with just 300 miles on the odometer. If you're looking for a truck that screams performance, look no further. This one means business. Under the hood, the Bandit Silverado is equipped with a supercharged 5.3-liter V8 engine that delivers a jaw-dropping 707 horsepower and 641 lb-ft of torque. To match its performance, it comes with a MagnaFlow exhaust system that makes sure this truck doesn't just go fast, but also sounds incredible as it does. With these specs, the Bandit Silverado easily competes with some of the most formidable off-road trucks on the market today, including the Ram 1500 TRX and Ford F-150 Raptor R. But while the Ford and Ram trucks focus heavily on off-road capabilities, Saleen and Legendary Concepts took a different approach with the Bandit Silverado. This truck is all about on-road performance, with a lowered ride height and a new suspension setup that ensures it handles like a dream on pavement. The front of the truck features a distinctive fascia with a pronounced splitter, making it look aggressive and aerodynamic. The side skirts enhance the truck's sleek look, further emphasizing its road-going prowess. To match its high-performance capabilities, the Bandit Silverado rides on 22-inch wheels, wrapped in massive 325-section Continental Premium Contact 6 tires. These tires help keep the power grounded firmly on the road, ensuring optimal grip at all times. And it's not just about performance, the Bandit's design is a showstopper. With forged carbon components adorning the side skirts, tonneau cover, and carbon lip spoiler, the truck has a sleek, high-tech look. A rear diffuser finishes off the design, adding both style and function. The design isn't just limited to the outside. Inside, the Bandit Silverado continues to impress with a cabin that's been reupholstered in a combination of leather and Alcantara, offering both luxury and sportiness. Forged carbon accents and the Bandit truck branding throughout the cabin ensure that you're constantly reminded of the truck's unique roots. But perhaps the most iconic feature of this interior is the plaque featuring a replica of Burt Reynolds' signature. After all, no tribute vehicle to Smokey and the Bandit would be complete without a nod to the legendary actor himself. This Silverado Bandit is now up for auction at Mecum, and it's expected to attract significant attention from collectors and fans of the Smokey and the Bandit franchise. If you've got deep pockets and a passion for classic American cars and trucks, this might be your chance to own a piece of automotive history. Whether you're planning to hit the road with it or display it in your collection, this truck promises to turn heads wherever it goes. For fans of muscle cars, legendary movies, and incredible performance trucks, the Bandit Silverado is more than just a vehicle, it's an experience. So, if you're ready to own one of the wildest trucks on the market, don't miss your chance to bid on this incredible machine.